Want to learn how to make automated affiliate commissions of 1,000 daily? Imagine waking up every morning to see your account flooded with earnings while you were asleep. It's not a fantasy. It's entirely possible with the power of AI cash machines. AI cash machines is a revolutionary method that allows you to automate your affiliate marketing efforts and generate consistent, high-ticket commissions effortlessly. Here's how it works and why you need to learn how to use AI cash machines. Number 1. Automated content creation. AI can generate high-quality content for your affiliate offers. This post you're reading was written by AI. This includes viral reel hooks, viral talking scripts, social media updates, email campaigns, and more. With AI cash machines, you can have a steady stream of engaging content that attracts and converts your audience without lifting a finger. What used to take hours of research, creation, and tweaking can now be completed in less than 5 seconds. You can be a master content creator and copywriter with zero skills. Number 2. Data-driven personalization. AI cash machines can analyze your audience's behavior and preferences to deliver highly personalized marketing messages. This increases your chances of converting leads into sales, making your marketing efforts more effective. Number 3. Efficient targeting. AI helps you identify and target the right audience with pinpoint accuracy. By understanding consumer behavior, AI cash machines ensure your offers are seen by the people most likely to buy, maximizing your ROI. Number 4. Real-time optimization. AI tools can continuously analyze your campaigns, providing real-time insights and adjustments. This means your marketing strategies are always optimized for the best performance, leading to higher conversion rates and more commissions. Number 5. Set it and forget it. The beauty of AI cash machines is automation. Once you set up your campaigns, AI will manage and optimize them around the clock. This frees up your time to focus on other aspects of your business or enjoy the passive income. Imagine this. You set up your AI cash machines, go to bed, and wake up to find $1,000 or more in affiliate commissions in your account. It's like having a team of expert marketers working for you 24/7, ensuring you're always earning even when you're not working. Here's what you'll learn in my comprehensive AI cash machines training program. Automated content creation. Learn how to leverage AI to generate endless high-quality content streams that attract and convert. Data-driven personalization. Discover how to use AI to deliver personalized marketing messages that resonate with your audience. Efficient targeting. Understand how to identify and target the right audience to maximize your sales. Real-time optimization. Learn how to optimize your campaigns for peak performance continuously. Hands-off automation. Set up your AI cash machines and let them do the work, earning you commissions day and night. To top it off, you also get access to my custom GPTs based on millions of dollars in sales. I created custom GPTs with over $9 million in sales data that create content for you in seconds. This video was written by AI. Right now, you can get my brand new program for just $27. This is a limited time offer and I'll raise the price as soon as I get new testimonials from students who have implemented it and got results. To be clear, this program isn't about promoting my offer. I teach you how to find affiliate offers in any niche. You can even use this training to sell our own products, coaching, or offer. If you want access, just comment AI below and I'll get you the info. Thanks for watching.